So this is our last topic of module 3. Okay. And the topic name is command line argument. So in this command line argument, if you have any idea about Java programming, then each and everything you need to give by command. Okay. Like add 5 and 7. So it will give you output as 12. So give me 1 second more because this is 10 and your class. So lot of persons will start shouting. So command line program, if anyone, it is not recommended that you must have the knowledge of Java, but in Java programming, initially we start with command line argument. So command line arguments are very special kind of thing. And if you are writing program in C language, then there are two main arguments. So yesterday we have already seen example of square. Okay, this function. So here we pass the argument. So likewise, we can pass the argument inside main program also. So what is the command line argument? Let us describe each one thing. When executing a program in either C or C++, there is a way to pass command line argument. Okay, means the command line screen will be there, and in this command line screen, you just type the name of program followed by the uh, argument 1, argument 2, argument 3, etc. Okay, and this passes a character array. By default, this passes a character array. It is not a number. So I will show how each parameter separated by a space. So you must pass the parameter separated by a space and comes into the program as two argument, argc and argv. What do you mean by argc? Why argc is written here, and whether you can write any other thing or not. So argc is the count the number of argument. And argv is the list of parameters. Fine. So this is our program. This is a simple program and written in C++ language. So there is no problem. I will convert it to include stdio.h integer main followed by integer argc. Okay, you must remember that first argument is integer argc and second argument is always pointer type, but don't distract with this, just write this. You need to remember argv. Okay, and this is star argv, and then this is the symbol of array because it is given in last point. So I will show you this program. Now come to one program for integer I equals to 0, I is less than argc and I plus plus. Okay, then printf, this is argument number %d, and this is your argument number %d, and the argument is %s. Okay, so this is done. Now comma I and comma argvi. Okay, and then return 0. So this is our program. By this program, what will happen? This program is clearly visible to all of you, whatever written in red. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So fine.
Yes, sir.
As soon as actually this is the standard practice. Standard practice. Whether you are using this command line or not, this is our standard practice where we need to pass these two arguments, because initially we don't start with pointer and arrays. That's why we are not using this argument, but these arguments are by default. So now what will happen with this argument? Suppose actually in memory it will create one space of integer type, and its name is argc. Okay, and one memory space for string. It is in variable size. Okay, variable size means you can put as many as. Fine. So this is argv. By using this, in memory it will create this. Fine. Now, if you run this program and if you write the command dot slash, suppose the name of program is myprog.c. So by default, it will create myprog. Okay. So myprog is the executable file, followed by, suppose I am writing some names here. This is whatever I had written here, and I press enter. As soon as I press enter, it will automatically, what will be the storage? Okay, now see what will be the storage and what will happen. As soon as I print this, this I had written because name of this is this, and after compilation, it will produce this executable file. Okay, so this will be our argument number 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So this is dot slash myprog, then Neha, then Raghav, then Ritesh, and then John. Okay, so automatically it will store. Now, what is the value? Current value is 4, but what is the count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the count. Okay, so it will automatically hold the value 5. So this is your argv0. This is argv1. This is argv2. This is argv3. And this is argv4. Okay, by default, as soon as you write in next program also, I will show something special with this. Okay, so this is our arguments, and these are the arguments storage, and by virtue of this particular character star argv, it will stored as this. Now, how if I am going to run this program? I'm going to
Excuse me,
run
sir.
this. Yes.
सर ये ARGC5 कैसे आया सर?
कहाँ 5 आ गया?
सर ये लिखा ना आपने सर.
बता रहा हूँ. ये ARGC5 कैसे आ गया है ना? मैंने क्या बताया था आपको? मैंने आप लोगों को क्या बताया था प्रीवियस लाइन में? Count the number of argument. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Count the number of argument. So let us. This is for ARGV. Now this is for ARGC. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the answer? 5. So this 5 is stored here. Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will show you this program. After this, there is another program for you. Okay, fine. Now, let us see the execution of program. Till now, only memory related operation we have performed. Now, we will perform these two lines. What will happen with these two lines? So, for integer I equals to 0, it will start from 0 and it will run up to less than 5. So,
G,
0, yes, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, from 0 to 4. Why? Because it is written as I is less than 5 in this particular case. Okay, now printf this argument number is. So let us write another thing, and I need to delete this. Printf slash n is not written, na? So let me write slash n also, because here I am putting slash n. Okay, now so this is argument number %d. %d is value of I, argument number 0. Okay, or you can simply put I plus 1. I plus 1 will give you argument number 1. Otherwise, no problem, not an issue. So argument number 0, and then comma. After that, no comma. Actually, we have marked the arrow. And then what is written? ARGV 0. ARGV 0 is dot slash my prog. Then come to this line. It will print the same thing, and 1 followed by Neha. Then this line will print Raghav. This line will print Ritesh. And finally, this line will print John. Okay, so this is the way you can use command line argument. Now, I need to show you this program one by one. Suppose this is the program, and if it is run here, hello, each word should be in a unique argument. So with this, suppose if we run this program, the same program if we are running, so what will be the output? In this particular case, insert and table. Okay, I'm not that much fast. It's better to write this. In this particular case, ARGC is there, ARGC. And here I'm writing ARGV. Okay, so with ARGV, it will create the memory space. First word is hello dot slash hello. Actually, this is dot slash hello. So dot slash hello. Then second argument is each. Then third is word. Then fourth is should be a unique argument. Okay, so this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now it will store 8. Fine. So 8 will be stored, and for loop is running for 0 to 8. Okay, so 0 to 8, this will print 0th argument, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So likewise, this program will execute. So now we need to see how this program will run.
sir.
Yes.
हाँ, पहली आर्ग्यूमेंट हमेशा प्रोग्राम का नाम
रहेगा हमेशा,
सर,
ऑलवेज,
मतलब
बिकॉज
कन्वेंशन है या
नहीं, कन्वेंशन नहीं, आप प्रोग्राम उसके बिना रन ही नहीं करवा सकते हो।
ओके सर,
बिना प्रोग्राम का नाम दिए आप रन करवा सकते हो, तो नो प्रॉब्लम।
नहीं सर, समझ गया।
है ना? सो vi and this is cla dot c, insert include stdio dot h and integer main integer. It is not necessary to use argc, but standard practice is there. That's why I am writing argc. Otherwise you can write ijk also. Character arg.
सर अभी पीपीटी वाली स्क्रीन ही दिखती है सर।
अच्छा, पीपीटी वाली स्क्रीन ही दिखाई दे रही है। Okay, now this screen is visible to you. So for loop, for better to write integer I here, integer I, or I equals to 0, I is less than argc, and I plus plus. Then printf percent s slash n, percent s is argument number %d. Okay, comma, then %s means argv I, comma, a, this is I. Now this will be closed and return 0, return 0, and finally O. So this is our program, simplest program. Okay, now this program is compiled. cc cla dot c minus o cla. This program is compiled successfully. Now dot slash CLA. What are the arguments written here? So let us use these arguments only. Hello. Each word should be a unique argument. Okay, now this is program, and there is one problem with this program, dot slash CLA. Now there is no problem. Now if I am going to run this program, so what will happen? Here you can see that dot CLA is argument number 0, hello is argument number 1, each is argument number 2, word is argument number 3, should is argument number 4, B is argument number 5, A is argument number 6, and unique is argument number 7. Yes or no? Clear? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So better to paste this program. So this is available in your slide also. Okay. So both the thing, existing example is also given, but there is no meaning of this existing example. So delete this example. And now come to, this is our program. This is program. And this is the output. Now it is clear to you. So this is one program. Now come to, suppose you want to perform addition of two number. Okay, addition of two number. Then how do you perform? So vi sum and dot c. This is my program name. Sorry. Include stdio.h. Let me check one more thing. A2i in C. This is string.h. Okay, fine. Include string.h. Integer main. Integer argc. इसको ध्यान से समझना है प्रोग्राम. This is special kind of program. Character star argv. Yes. Because we are taking only two number of argument. If the argument is less, then also it will print an error. If the argument is greater, then also it will print an error. So before this, integer c, okay, a, b and c will be declared. Fine. Now come to if argc is not equals to 2, no, 3. We need 3 argument. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if this is not true, if this is not true, means this is false. So no. If arguments equals to 3, it is much better. Then perform this operation. I equals to a to I a r g v1. This is not I, this is our A. Just try to see the program and then ask any question. Then A to I, A R G B 2. Then C equals to A plus B. Printf %D plus %D equals to %D /n double greater than. This double greater than will be printed or not? Printed, yes. %D, and then this will be completed. Now what I need to write, A, comma B, comma C. And then this loop is okay. And if the else is coming, printf standard error, invalid argument. हेलो, हाँ बताइए। 11:15 बजे फोन लगाना। So standard error, we have written a standard error. It looks like some error is there. Now come to return 0 and then okay. So this is the program. Now let me explain this program. So better to copy this program so that I can explain in better way. So this is our program written in C language. What it will do. So in this program, addition of 2 number is given. Okay, addition of 2 number.
पर वहाँ पे else लिखने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी।
हाँ?
if के बाद else नहीं लिखना पड़ेगा।
हाँ, yes. else ही तो ब्रांच है, else ब्रांच ही करनी है हमको। एक्चुअली वो फोन आ गया। गुड। तो CLI addition of 2 NUMB numbers, and here I need to change this program. Fine. This is our program written in C language. Now let us see what each thing will do. Initially, the program start with this main program. Okay, so what is the outcome of this main line? This main line will declare to actually it create one argument argc of integer type and one more argument in variable length of string type. Okay, so now suppose the name of program is sum.c. Sum.c. This is one line. Second line, what you need to do is sum. Next line, we are going to compile this program. So how do we compile this program? Using cc followed by sum.c followed by -o followed by sum. Enter. Okay. After that, we will run this program as /sum 4962 and then press enter. It will return output as 49 plus 62 equals to 1 1 1 1. Yes. Okay. So this will be our answer. In other case also, there may be one more case is possible. If I am writing like this, /sum 49 62 39 etc., then it will check whether the argument equals to 3. If it is not, then it will print std error invalid arguments. Fine. Now initially this program will start running this. First of all, it will go here and suppose this is our execution sequence. Okay, for correct only we are going to execute. For incorrect, it will automatically give you invalid argument. So there is no problem. So as soon as you will type this line, so it will impact this memory location, and here in argv it will store /sum, then 49, then 62. What is the count? 0 1 2. The count is 3. Okay, so count is 3. Then it will go here and it will create 3 more spaces with this line. These spaces are A, B, and C. Now, if this is true, then this function is character to integer. Is this visible to all of you? This red character to integer?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
This is
Yes,
A
sir.
from character and this is I from integer. Okay, and this is 2, A to I. A to I function will convert. So first argument is 49. This 49 is nothing but it is a string. 49 is a string. I had already told you that it will store the string values. Okay, these are not integer values. These are string values. So that's why it will convert it into integer. Now 49 is converted into integer. Now it will become 49 actual. And it will convert 62 into integer, and this is 62. So this line will calculate C equals to 49 plus 62, and it will display double greater than, and then it will display this %d. This %d will be replaced by 49, and this will be replaced by 62, and this will be replaced by 111, because answer here it will be 111, and this is like this. So likewise this program will be executed. So is there any problem?
सर आपने सर ये प्रिंट ऑफ %d प्लस %d ये क्यों यूज किया सर?
क्यों यूज करते हैं %d?
फ्लोट डिफाइन करने के लिए,
परसेंट डी
मतलब
एक
डेसिमल,
खाली
मतलब
नहीं, आप
डेसिमल डिफाइन।
आपने बचपन में सुना है ना कि खाली स्थान भरो,
यस सर।
सुना है? खाली स्थान, blank space is our prime minister. Okay, so in this place what will come? Narendra Modi. So likewise this person D is, all these person D's are, format specifier. What is this? Format specifier. Okay, this says that in this place something will come. So what it will be coming, what will be coming actually? So in this place A will be coming, in this place B will be coming, and in this place C will be coming. Okay, so due to this, this will be coming. This is not C++ where you can directly use this. In C language, you need to use %d, 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 and this %d is replaced by first value, this %d is replaced by second value, and this %d is replaced by third value. Got it or not?
Yes sir.
Okay. So now let us run the program. Yes. cc sum dot c followed by -o followed by sum dot. So it is giving me one or warning. Okay, implicit declaration of function a to I. So already used, there is no problem. Now run the program. Sum 12, 23, 34. This will give me one error will be given, standard error invalid argument. तो यहाँ मुझे समझ में आ गया है कि ये प्रोग्राम हल्का सा मुझे सुधारने की जरूरत है. Always we need to write /n at this place. Okay, so append insert /n. Okay, now :wq, and again we need to go for compilation of this program and now run. So this will give me one error that ./sum equals to ./sum is one error. Now this error, you can make this error very interesting. How? So here I am writing %s. Okay, standard error, and the name of program is what? Some name is given, sum.c. Yes or no? So if you want to print, like a professional person, so %s will be written here, and this %s will be replaced by, argv0. Okay, now this program will show you a special kind of output. So once again we need to compile this program. The program is compiled. CLEAR, clear. So this is our program. See how error will come now. Error, standard error, then followed by program name ./sum, invalid argument. It looks like compiler is giving error. Yes or no?
Yes,
But
sir.
you have written this. So this is the way you can write your program. Now suppose 12 and 23 will be written. Then it will give me output 12 plus 23. Greater than 12 plus 23 equals to 35. So again here one more error is there. Error means it is not error. This program is not looking good. So let me beautify the program here also. In this place, insert /n, and Again, compile this program. So this program is compiled, then clear. Now, this looks like a command prompt where you have typed 12 plus 23. It will give you 12 plus 23 equals to 35. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So now your task is to develop a factorial program using command line argument. Okay, you know that what is and I will show you last program in this command line argument. Actually, we are not using any argument, but it will give you a very big output. Okay, so with the help of code block, it is better or something else, because this program will not give you any output here. So code better. Include stdio.h stdio.h पहले सेव कर लेते हैं, इसका नाम रखते हैं env fine. Now include integer main, integer argc. Okay, then character pointer argv, then character pointer env. So you have not seen, and I think most of the places this program will be not shown by any teacher. So for integer I equals to 0, I is less than or equals to end of file and I plus plus. Okay, and then printf double quote percentage slash n, then comma, and this is envpi. Now, are you able to predict what will be the output of this program? Return 0. Most powerful program. I don't know whether it is compiled here or not. So it is executed also, but it is not giving you any output. Why? I is not equals to yes. So this is the output of program. Are you able to see the output of program? And very big. Anybody? Am I audible
Yes,
or not?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is powerful program.
Yes, sir.
It will print the output as environment variable only. Only I had added character pointer envp, and just for I equals to 0, I is not equals to end of file, I plus plus, and it will print the whole entire environment variable. Okay. These environment variable include user, app data, and all other paths. Everything is printed. Okay. So this is very, very powerful program. Fine. So
Yes, sir.
you can see whether Turbo C++ will give you the output or not, I don't know. But if I'm using the same program, in yesterday, I got message from, yes, in our lab also, let us see whether it is working or not. Jaipur. Engineering lab, programming, and our file is written in C. Okay. So that is why sometimes cloud is not very helpful, but let us see. Copy. So let us run this program. Standard error, segmentation fault, core dump. Okay. You are not able to run this program. But here in local environment, it is able to run the program. Fine. So up to this, I think command line argument is completed, and your task is to develop a program for factorial and all other kind of thing. You just take input from main means command, and it will display the output like summation, differentiation, integration, whatever program you want to create, you can create using command line argument. Okay. So any doubt?
No, sir.
No.
No.
No
Okay.
doubt, sir.
Okay. So what for tomorrow we will start at 8, means day after tomorrow we will start at 8. Okay. So Naman, please
Yes, sir.
remind me. Maybe due to power fail, my phone. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
after 6 or 7, you can call me. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow. So
In the morning, right, sir?
no. In the evening.
Okay, sir.
Because in morning power will be not there, so there may be problem of such kind of problem may be there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.